Hello children, it's Miss Rosen again, here to do some phonics with you. We're learning another new sound today. Before we begin, like usual, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper or a whiteboard pen and a whiteboard. If you need to go and grab that, then pause it and I'll wait for you. Brilliant, it looks like you're ready. So we are going to learn a new sound today, but before we do, we need to practice our speedy sounds. They're the sounds we already know, but we need to keep practicing them so we don't forget them. So let's have your magnet eyes this way. Are you ready? Let's do it together. A, t, I, d. Fabulous, but I think you can do it quicker. Shall we try? Are you ready? Let's go. T, I, d, s, a. Brilliant. Give yourself a thumbs up. Okay, I think you're ready for our new sound today. I like this sound because it's got a cool picture. Are you ready? It's a pirate. Some of you might already know this sound. Pirate. What sound can you hear at the beginning of pirate? I think you've got it. It's the bouncy sound. P. My turn, your turn. P. P. P, P, P. Brilliant. So, when I show you this sound, I'd like you to say pirate, pirate. And when I show you this sound, I'd like you to say p, p. Brilliant. Okay, are you ready? I know you're getting quite good at this, so I'm going to try and trick you by going really fast. Are you ready? Oh, you're getting so hard to trick. You are really good at that, children. Really good. Well done. Okay, I think it's time now to practice writing this sound. It's quite a tricky one to form, so watch carefully. Don't pick up your pens yet, watch me. So, we start on the line. We go up, down the pirate's plat and over his face. Are you ready? Start on the line, up, down the pirate's plat and up and around his face. Okay, pick up your pencils and your pens now and let's do this one together. So, start on the line, up, down the pirate's plat, up and over his face. Good. Does your P look like my P? Fabulous. Okay, I would like you to have a go and practice this letter by writing it 10 times. So I want to see 10 P's. Pause the video while you do that. Brilliant. Excellent. Good writing there, children. I think we're ready to read this sound now in our green words. Okay, let's have a go at doing it together. Are you ready? P, O, T, pot. P, I, N, pin. P, A, N, pan. P, E, T, pet. Let's try one more. T, A, P, tap. Super blending. Really good, children. Let's make it a little bit harder. I'm going to hold up the word and I'd like you to thread on your own. Are you ready? Pot. Pin. Pan. Well done, children. Let's try some alien words now. Now, we know these are alien words because they've got our pictures of them. And we know that our alien words are funny words because they just don't make any sense. But let's have a read. Are you ready? Tep. What a load of nonsense. Should we try another one? Mip. It just doesn't make any sense. It's a load of nonsense. Okay, I think we're ready to do some writing now. So we're going to need our Fred fingers for this. So give them a little wiggle, give them a little stretch, and let's get ready for our first word. Good listening, you ready? The first word that you're going to write today is pet. P-E-T. Pet. How many Fred fingers do we need for pet? Can you show me? That's right, 3. Let's squeeze the sounds together. P-E-T. Pet. Have a go at writing it down for me. Pet. Okay, let's have a look. So, we had 3 sounds. The first sound is P. E. T. Pet. Give yourself a tick if you remembered the P. Give yourself a tick if you remembered the E. And give yourself a tick if you remembered the T. Pet. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just correct it now so you remember it for next time. The next word I'd like you to write is tap. T-A-P. Tap. How many Fred fingers do you need for that word? I think you've got it right again. It's 3. Let's squeeze those sounds. T-A-P. Tap. Well done. Write it down. Okay, let's have a look together. So, the first sound was a T. A. P. T-A. Give yourself a tick if you remembered the T. Give yourself a tick if you remembered the A. And give yourself a tick if you remembered the P. If you didn't get it right, just correct it. Let's try one more word together. Are you ready? We're going to write pin. P-I-N. Pin. How many sounds do we need? How many Fred fingers do we need for that word? It is 3 again. Well done. Let's squeeze those sounds. P-I-N. Pin. Write it down. Okay, I was just checking. Our first sound is a P, then we need a I, then we need a N. So give yourself a tick for your P, give yourself a tick for your I, and give yourself a tick for your N. Pin. children. That was really good writing today. We're going to do hold a sentence, but before we do, we're going to practice reading some words with some sounds in that we've already learned, because it's important that we keep practicing them so we don't forget. Are you ready? We'll do it together. Ten. Tip. Tip. Bin. Pig. Pig. Nod. Lip. Lip. Super reading. Can you give yourself a big marshmallow clap? Brilliant reading. Okay, are you ready for our hold a sentence? I'll say it first, so my turn, your turn. Pots and pans. Pots and pans. Pots and pans. Fabulous. Write it down. Don't forget that capital letter and full stop and finger spaces. If you need a bit more time, pause the video now. Okay, let's see if you have got your sounds right. So, at the beginning we need that's right, capital letter. So, P, O, T, pots, finger space, A, N, D, and pots and pans. P, A, N, pots and pans. And I'm not going to forget my full stop. Brilliant. You've done really well today, children. What sound have we learnt? That's right. P. Your challenge today is to see if you can practice forming your letter P in any way you like at home. So you might have some paint, you might have some chalk, you might have a paintbrush and some water, but see if you can practice writing the letter P using something different. I wonder if you can. Have a lovely day, children. Bye.